Hi, today we're going to talk about construction projects and understand how you can track the business expenses related to construction projects in a Notion template. So let me quickly turn off my webcam and take you back to the template. So this is the particular template that we're talking about where we have different categories of expenses defined at the top. Underneath every category, we have got a budgeted expense amount and the actual expenses. Actual expenses have been pulled from the table at the bottom where you can modify all these values and the expense can be updated dynamically as you can see. So I'm going to change some of the values and you can see everything getting updated corresponding to the category at the top. If you want to edit any of these categories, click on this pencil icon and you can define a new category for a use case. And if you want to add a particular category, click on this new page and a new category will added. If you want to delete any of the category, click on this three dot and click on delete the particular category deleted at the same time. For the budgeted expense, simply click on this and you can define a new budgeted expense amount for your requirement. And finally, we have a summary section which shows the total budgeted expense that was defined earlier, actual expenses that was pulled from the table at the bottom, the difference in between both these things, and the percentage of actual expenses which has been incurred so far. So this is a quick and easy way to keep track of your construction project expenses in one Notion template. If you are in requirement of further customizing this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and well, I'll be happy to assist you further on this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.